They took care of my telephone line. It's temporarily attached to the side of my house, but I have to call the phone company to make it permanent. Now the neighbor is going to have a problem, but he has electricity, so there's no real problem. He's going to have to call. They're going to have to call somebody to reattach the electrical lines. But they're going to have electricity in the meantime. Now these people told me they've been working non-stop for many hours, and I believe them. So they got to be careful. Okay, they cut down. Well, they broke up the tree, but I told these guys that this part of the tree is going to fall down the next big storm. Not on my truck, though.